Fill in the blanks. In a single throw of dice, the probability of getting a number greater than 2 is, here dice is thrown, so 6 faces, so 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Greater than 2 we require, so 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability is 4 upon 6 required upon total, right? 2 by 3. That's the answer. Next, a card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. The probability of drawing a red card is dash and a face card is dash. See here, this and is given, but it's not that and or of probability. Means and means multiply and or means plus. Don't use that. These two are totally separate questions. Red card and face card. It's totally separate. Right? So don't use this red and or a face card. Okay? So simple. Keep it simple. A red card is what? Heart and diamond. So 26 cards. Face card is what? Jack, queen and king. Right? So 3 cards, and how many types of cards are there? 4. Right? So 3 into 4, 12. So 12 face cards. So probability of red is what? 26 by 52. 1 by 2. Probability of face card is what? 12 by 52. 3 by 13. Right? That's it. A bag contains 2 blue and 3 green marbles. Then the probability of drawing a red marble is 0, because no red is there. So that's why PR equals to required is 0. So it will be 0. A bag